Good morning. I was just reading this post on the Keyboardio forum, and I love the call out here that there could be some tribal knowledge. That could definitely be the case. For most of us, I bet, myself especially, I just got it working and then was just happy and moved on. So I thought I'd give a tour of the setup because I was a Kickstarter backer, and this is all pre-Chrysalis stuff. So I started here on the Keyboardio Model 1 firmware. I write CSS. I don't know anything about C or whatever this is. So I just followed these steps, installed all the stuff to my machine. And then customize the firmware. I have my own repo, which I'll link in where I reply. And basically, so I have this INO file, I think it is, in the Arduino app, which I have no experience with. I took whatever came with it and then just modified it ever so slightly. So I have, I think, just two macros that didn't come with it, hyper and meh, which I use on my Mac for a bunch of different shortcuts. So you see all these includes of various plugins or other magic. I think I removed one and freed up half my space. There was some effect that had a lot of stuff. Then I got all the weird key maps that I use, QWERTY and mirror version of QWERTY and Colmac. Stenography, that's a dream. We'll get there. Anyways, so I will make a change right now just to test that it was working. I changed my 1 to a 0. Oh dear, how do I get this? Yeah, I got it. Okay. Because I had a mirror image. Okay, so I'm going to send that over. From the last time I sent it, I did have this awesome error that I guess it's expecting some files to have .h extensions. I don't know what it means, but it's working. So I'm holding down the prog button, and I could see the little animation flashing across the left half of my keyboard. And I guess that's done. So now if I hit this key, will I have a 1? I do. Anyway, that's all a bit magical to me. A couple notes about Arduino. I'm on a Mac. If I hit this X, I would expect this window to close, but the application to stay open. But that's not the case. It acts more like Windows in that way. 2, when I hit if I make a change here, and then I would hit verify, it's happy. But if I hit upload, often it'll give me some red text and it's an error. And usually it's because I didn't go up to tools and set the port to the Keyboardio Model 1. First time I had that, it took ages to figure out. Under boards manager, you are going to need to, how does this work? Do I have to paste in some thing to get here? Maybe. Anyway, here's the Keyboardio. I could change the version. Ugh. I don't know why it does that. And I'm scrolling and it's not going the right speed. Anyway, I could change the version in here, which is cool. I feel like there's some other place where I had to paste in some magic. Was it managed libraries? Anyways, I find this application pretty unintuitive, but I love how easy it is to look at somebody else's firmware and be able to adopt things in it. I hope that helps.